Hi, we're Josh and Elisa.
We're weekend warrior RVers that love to explore with our large pack of dogs.
Meet Fennec, Everest, Pyro, Raza, Fraggle, Mogul, and our newest addition, Tango. Come with us on our second day in Crowsnest Pass, where we hike an old miner's trail and see the destruction of the Frank Slide tragedy.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Day 2 today.
We don't have any major plans for today. It seems like along this highway, anywhere that we look or everywhere that we look, there's something to do. There's like little pathways, and then there's Frank Slide that we're gonna go look at today. But first things first, we found a field. We're gonna give it a go and run our dogs, run off some steam.
Hey, everybody. We made a little detour now over to a trail in Coleman. We are doing the Miner's Path. I think it's like 1.6 kilometers, and apparently there's a couple of waterfalls, so we'll take you along with us.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
So we are now on Miner's Trail. It's probably hard to hear me because the water is rushing beside me, but this actually is a pretty wicked trail. Very unexpected. I don't know about you, but
It's beautiful, super kid friendly, easy.
yeah, it's just beautiful.
Leather jacket though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd and I think we'll all die. Bird, she's perfect, yeah, she's beautiful.
Holy crap, this was worth it. Have a look. That waterfall, it is gorgeous.
Friend of a friend, never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place of respect.
So that was completely unexpected. It was absolutely gorgeous and super easy. Like none of this crazy uphill or anything. Like I wore my winter boots by accident, but yeah, beautiful.
It's like water the entire, like a stream, the entire way, the entire walk. So the whole walk you just listen to like a beautiful stream beside you. That was awesome. That was so great. Well, we stopped on the side of the highway because Elisa loves beef jerky and they're selling it out of this van here. You got the jerky?
Got it. And I didn't spend it all, like you said. You get $5 back.
Sweet. Thank you. everybody? We are at the Frank Slide Interpretive Center. We're gonna be checking out the area, taking you guys on a little bit of a hike. But I mean, you can kind of see it behind me. That is where the rock slide happened. And actually all these rocks behind us is sort of the aftermath of the whole, basically side of the mountain falling off. We'll give you some more information as we're going through, but
There was like a small village or town that used to be here, and the mountain just wiped everything out. It's remarkable. It's crazy how much rubble is still here. And it's said that things are still buried under here that will never be recovered.
yeah, it's pretty crazy to think about it. Obviously this is early in the 1900s, but it's just, like you said, it's mind blowing just to picture this. So, but so we're gonna go on a hike and we'll show you some more of the sights and scenes and the history. On April 29th, 1903, 30 million cubic meters of limestone crashed from the summit of Turtle Mountain, spread across the floor of the Crowsnest Valley, buried a portion of the little town of Frank, and claiming the lives of approximately 70 to 90 people.
We're now walking down into the bottom of where all the rock and rubble is, and it is just crazy to see how big these boulders are. It's mind-blowing to think that part of a mountain just sloughed off and like fell down here. And it reminds me of a wave that it like came down into this valley and it even rushed up the other side just a little bit before everything kind of settled.
Good morning.
So it is day 3. At about 8 o'clock this morning, it started pouring rain. We might not be doing a lot of things outdoors.
At all today. It's rains in the forecast, I think, for the entire day. So, but we're still gonna make the best of it. We drove into Coleman, which was the town that we went hiking in yesterday, because there is a bakery here that Elisa wanted to check out.
I hope they have like cakes and I want like, cinnamon buns or something like that. I've been craving it for days.
Yeah.
And then there are a few sites on kind of like the way home. If we go all the way home, we don't know what we're doing yet, but it will be an adventure.
But first, coffee.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. You were true.
On our way home, we passed through a small little town called Hillcrest to visit the memorial of the Hillcrest mine disaster, Canada's worst coal mining disaster. On June 19th, 1914, at 9:30 a.m., a gas explosion ripped through the tunnels, up the slopes, and burst from all entries of the mine. Of the 237 men who entered the mine that day, only 48 were rescued. In 2000, the Hillcrest mine disaster Millennium Memorial was placed in front of the cemetery to commemorate the victims of coal mining disasters across Canada. This memorial features individual monuments cut from stones native to each province and territory, arranged around a central monolith. Well, everybody, we did a few more things over in Crowsnest Pass. The weather just did not let up. It's been raining harder and harder and harder, actually. So
You can hear it.
yeah, it's probably actually, that's why I'm sort of yelling, because it's still coming down pretty good. So we're gonna pack it up. We're gonna head home, get an early start on getting home and cleaning up the motorhome and whatever. So enjoying the end of our long weekend.
Thanks for joining us on another one of our adventures.
Yeah, and stay tuned, because in a couple of weeks we will be heading down to Waterton National Park, and of course we'll bring you along with us. So yeah, stay tuned for that episode coming later.
See you then.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, everybody. Bye.